Cotton, there's a bird eating your cat food. Oh, there's 3 birds out there, Cotton. Cotton, what is it? 4 birds. 5 birds. They've been talking to each other.
Well, Charlie, there's a lot of competition.
God, there's like 6 birds out there trying to eat that cat food, and they're washing it off in the water bowl. God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 8 birds out there, I think.
Wow.
And they're all after the cat food.
Wow.
What do you think, Cotton? Cotton.
I guess the words are spreading.
Cotton, what is it? Are they eating your cat food? Are they eating your cat food, Cotton? What's going on? You want to go catch those birds? Look at them. They're all over. They're fighting over the cat food. That's amazing. I've never seen such a thing. You're going after the water bowl to wash the food or to soften it. They might be drinking too, I don't know. No wonder the cats run out of food so quick. What do you think, Momo? They're after your food, aren't they? Naka? After your food too. Oh, the little birds are out too. Oh. The birds are fighting each other, puffing their chests out. What do you think, Momo? Momo, what do you think? There's a juvenile asking to be fed, looks like. He won't get his own food, he wants somebody to give it to him. Give me some of that food. Yeah, go ahead, try to get your own. Nope. What do you think? Guys, are the birds after your food? Yeah, it looks like they are, doesn't it? Is that what you think, Cotton? Yeah, is that what you think, Cotton? Yeah, they're after your food, aren't they? They sure are. It's washing in the water bowl.